Bitcoin as usual. And what I want to show you guys before we actually do anything here is, let's cross this because the ads annoy me and we're not promoting nobody. We're going to start with the most important information, which is what I've seen from this dude right here. Where is he? Where's this guy? People don't even realize how much money will be made. Oh, hello. Forget that though. More important. What? Anyway. Why is the Twitter on this one so messed up, man? So basically, who are we looking for? There's a guy that I follow. I don't follow many people, but I follow him. He's called Laffy. And I think he's Arabian. Because if we check his most recent post, this one right here, which was posted 8 hours ago. If you translate this post, this guy's got a good win rate. We are following him on the instant update. We broke the mentioned resistance. Now we are waiting for 61k and above. So once we hit 61k and above, the rise is required to complete the decline. Not a rise to a new peak like the green candlestick owners are promoting. So what he's trying to say is, if I look at this guy's post, if we translate this again, we continue with the analysis. This is a warning so that the market does not deceive you with its movements. This guy's expecting 40k Bitcoin. This guy is literally expecting 40k Bitcoin, and this might be a time, any alts that you've bought, any stupid decisions that you have made, you may be able to rectify them, like genuinely. Because we are getting a second opportunity. Like my altcoins, I'm going to be personally serious. I've bought a few altcoins and I've made a little bit of profit. But some of the altcoins I bought, I should not have bought. I should not have bought. And this is my opportunity here on the green candlestick. When people think it's going to break out at around 62k, it might be time to lower your risk. I know altcoin season. If we look at altcoin season at the moment, let's actually open up an altcoin season tab. If we go to altcoin season index, bro, why does my computer sound like it's gonna explode, man? Can this not run anything? It's 31. If we look at the top performing, where's Kaspa? 6.4%. We need to actually look at Kaspa. I need to do a separate video on Kaspa, because he's launching his KR-20 tokens tomorrow, and I've got a little bit of Kaspa. This just 31, that's too high. It was at 12 at one point. That's when you want to buy, when the altcoins are bleeding and dead. Because right now I think it's too risky for altcoins. I'm going to be real. Because it could be a nice and nasty wick. Don't get me wrong. If you're just going to sell now and you're not even going to buy back, there might be no point. You might as well be better holding them. And also depends on how much risk you've put in. Because some of the risk that you've put in, you might have been emotional, man. You might have not bought at the right time. The price may not have come to you. You may have made a poor decision. But I don't believe the time is right. Not yet. Especially when the elections are coming up on the 18th. There might be a lot of volatility. There might be a lot of things going down. What's the fear and greed? We've got to reset this. We have to check this at all times. You have to stay ahead of the game. 50, we're in neutral. So it isn't greed yet. Once that hits greed, might be time to roll over. What is Ethereum saying? No way it's dropping another ad on me. Let's check Ether. Tetheros 2.4. Even Ethereum's going up. That's how you know things are bad. Omikami. When I seen it this morning, it was at like 50 million market cap. Then when I saw it again, it was at 43 million. I don't know. The bands look like they're going to cross over. But Kaspa's the one I'm mostly looking at, because Kaspa is pumping, man. I expect a major pullback, but this Kaspa meme coin's coming as well. If we have a look at Twitter, let's search Kasplex and Kaspa. Let's see what they're saying. Airdrop, Nunes, Sancho. If we look at Kaspa, we're going to look at Coinbase in a sec because that's trending. I don't know why. Kaspa NG 0.3 has been released and can be downloaded. What is this? Rusty Kaspa, as well as a variety of updates and features. Please read release notes for more. The web version of Kaspa NG available at Kaspa NG has also been updated on release. What do you mean? What is this shit? I shouldn't have sworn, but what genuinely is this? Let's have a little look. Mainnet, testnet. Let's do mainnet. What is this? Kaspa node. Bro, this looks like it's gonna about to hack my system, man. Forget that. For now, we don't know what that is. Kaspa next generation wallet. So they're getting a new wallet. Let's go back. What else is going on? There will be an epic explosion of energy when these two crews creatively collide. Kaspa and Enterprise, September 24, Dublin, Ireland. The K2 team can't believe it's less than 2 weeks since the initiative. Alright. Rusty Kaspa, stable mainnet. Is this the same website? They're improving constantly. A fee estimation. What's changed? New contributions. I'm not reading all that. Catalyst ecosystem plan. I'm sure they're launching the meme coins. That's what we're looking for anyway. These lot are going to launch meme coins. So if we're in early on it, it could be a money making printing machine. Okay, that's fine. What about Casplex? Yeah, so I am following these lot. First protocol for Kaspa ecosystem. Launch is almost here. On the 15th at 11 AM UTC. It's very, very close. KRC. This is it. Even though the hasn't started, many developers and projects have been building on Casplex. Guess what? Integration with KEX and mining pools is already in progress, man. Holy tokens. There's going to be meme coins. Kaspa coin, Nacho, Gold coin. In a few hours I'll be presenting to join AMA. Focus on catalysts. Wow, bro. It's crazy what Kaspa are doing. It's crazy. I don't even think we're going to see a pullback. KR-20 announcements. Wallet developments have been informed about the new KR-20 standards. The new computational layer is being introduced to the complex indexer. Public testing will kick off once the RBF and fee estimation API are integrated into... Kaspa are doing crazy things. I cannot believe what they're doing over this bull run. This is insane. Fair launch. Let's do Kaspa versus Bitcoin. It's very, very, very similar. If we look at Kaspa versus Bitcoin on the image graph, in their early developments, they're very, very similar, man. It's the hash rate that we're looking at. Hitting all-time highs. The hash rate's hitting all-time highs. The price is hitting all-time highs. Look at the price. Go back to the liquidations. If we go back to the price of Kaspa, look at it. It's only been going up. It's only going up. It's a very small market cap. It's a very, very, very good community. It's doing the right things. It's launching meme coins. Where do you think this price is going to go? Where do you genuinely think it's a fair launch? It's a fair launch. It's not manipulated. All-time high of 20 cents, man. Don't be hating on Kaspa, man. And I should have got in at 14 cents and I should have got in at 12.5 because I wanted another opening. But it was split seconds that we got. We only got a split second for opening. Brett's back at 800 million market cap. Holy. This might be like buying it here, you know. At 3 cents. This might do a 5x, 6, 7x from here, from these prices. It's going to correct first, don't get me wrong. I think a lot of these meme coins, there's going to be a nasty correction because September isn't over. But after September's over, if you can survive this, you can get good prices. We might be going up. Don't get me wrong, a recession is coming. A recession is coming. Let's actually follow this guy. I think, what's he called? He's called Camel Finance. Where is he, man? Oh yeah, here we go. I found him. Let me follow him. Yeah, that guy's a fraud. It's this one that we want to look at. Because this guy talks about the recession as well. What if it tops this year? Remainder of the 4 cycle in the market. Every man and his dog, all crypto influencers. Absolutely everyone gets left holding the bag for all the halving. All screaming 1 mil. This is Max Payne for BTC. He called it. He called it. This guy's videos. Gold approaching the top. Bitcoin about to send deep dive tomorrow. Let's check gold's price because gold's important. Gold is important because Bitcoin usually follows gold. And Bitcoin is topping out, man. Holy, this ain't stopping, man. What's the price right there? That is not stopping. What about SPX? S&P 500, man. That isn't stopping. It's approaching all-time highs. What do you think is going to happen when they switch their money printers on, man? We're going to be making bread. You need to get your timings right. You need to make sure you're buying the right altcoins. There's no point buying a falling knife. You don't want to catch a falling knife. It's very difficult because if you look at total crypto market cap, it's very, very difficult. And this thing can... This thing, you know, if it's going to bleed, it's going to bleed. This might even go all the way down to 1.5 trillion. To be honest, the majority of the downside has occurred. However, that can go down a lot. DXY, what about the dollar? Yeah, the dollar needs to hit all-time lows, man. It needs to come down a little bit more. And then we're laughing. There's a lot of things that need to happen, man. And I think they will. But I don't think it's the right time, not yet. Because if we look at overall... I think it should be on Twitter, actually. We will check the liquidations over the last 24 hours. Yeah, we're going to reach about 61k. And then I think we're going to go down. If we look at notifications and we look at... Yeah, this is the quarterly returns. This is what we need to look at. So, Q4 is usually extremely bullish for Bitcoin. He's not wrong. He is not wrong at all. This one here as well. Bitcoin price performing after the halving. So in March, August, and September are usually the worst months. So if we can hold out till October, November and December, Bitcoin can do relatively well. And if Bitcoin does well and they turn the money printers on, altcoins will go crazy. That's all I'm going to leave it at. That is mental. That's what you guys need to focus on. You need to look at picking the right altcoins. I think Omikami is looking really good. Gold made a new all-time high. Bitcoin will make a new all-time high. 100k is coming very soon. He's not wrong. And if we look at, what am I seeing, man? What the heck am I seeing here, bro? Let me look at Omikami. Omikami might be going on Binance. Imagine if Omikami goes on Binance. Ryujin very soon, do not miss out. They're gonna go flying. It's because they think that Ryoshi's at the behind it all. Ryujin's getting a new website. It's looking good, man. I need a correction on these. Need a major correction, man. That's not enough. I need at least that 38 million market cap at least before I go in on there. What about Ryujin? I think that's correcting properly, you know. That might be worth looking at. Why is this graph so weird? It's not even stretching out. But Ryujin has corrected a little bit. Let's actually look at coin market cap. About the 1 month liquidations before we do. Yeah, man, I sense we're going down first before we go any higher. Gonna take down everyone down low, liquidate everyone, and then it's gonna start a parabolic bull run. Alright, let's check coin market cap, see what's trending really quickly. Obviously, right now, Kaspa I think is the main one that everyone's looking at, because tomorrow I think the meme coins drop. I don't think I'm gonna be a gambler. I don't want to gamble. I'll let the prices come to me. We'll see what's going on with the meme coins first. We'll see some established things and we'll go from there. See what people are talking about. See what people are liking. There's no point gambling. I know it's good being early, but we can be early by being calculated at the same time. I don't like these, man. I don't really like anything other than meme coins, because all these utility coins, they're not even utility, the meme coins, because they go down in a bear market anyway, so they're not very good, are they? Kaspa is trending as well. Look at that, man. It's beautiful, man. It's just constantly going up. It's not anything crazy. It's not like the 400%. It's just doing it as it pleases in a good manner with a 4 billion market cap. Is controlled. Everything else is just pure garbage, man. I keep seeing this Simon's cat. What is this? Before I actually log. That's got a similar chart to Kaspa. Wow. If you could have bought in one of these dips. I made a 5x. Holy. It might be doing another one of these. Correcting back to the old levels or even below. What is it? What ecosystem is this on? BNB. Nah, man. I'm not even trying to trade meme coins on BNB. Solana's enough. Yeah, BNB is going up as well. You can't hate on it. You cannot hate on it. What about XRP? XRP is some garbage, man. I think we'll sign off on that. Check BTC. Yeah, we're still in this massive bull flag. Massive bull flag formation. Stop dropping ads on me, man. If we compare this to, because it is inversely correlated to the DXY. Alright, I've done a horrific job at that. However, we move. And catch you guys in a bit, man. I'll do another one of these tomorrow. We need to keep our eyes peeled at all times. Is any anything influential in my Twitter? Or is it all garbage? See what I mean? It is not influential, bro. OG Phantom logo. Now the new one looks better, man. Mew Mew as well, man. Mew Mew's hated on. I sold it. I think. Where did I sell Mew Mew? Delete this off. What have I done? Price are we trading at for Mew Mew? How do I remove this one? Like, why doesn't it show it like that? Like, that's what I don't get. That's genuinely what I don't understand. There we go. We've taken that out. Now we've got the price of Mew Mew. Yeah, I sold it about here. I sold it there. Right at the top. Actually, it went up a lot higher. But it's ranging. If we compare it to here. We could see a Mew Mew pump to like 1 billion. Could see that pump to 1 billion. That's another one that we got to look at. There's so many meme coins to look at. It's hard. Because the other one I want is Redo. If I'm letting them come to me, I'm not going to them. There's no point trying to buy. When there's just no point. You need to make sure that your potential for upside and your risk to reward is perfect. That's how you make money in this market, or a lot of money. Like with Brett. Brett right now, even right now I don't think is good. But down here, that's a good buy. If you're accumulating, do it slowly. Dollar cost average, you won't be too bad with things like Brett. Brett's got a massive community. It's on base. Ethereum, massive community. Everyone's going to pump it. That's going to fly. Cheap transaction fees. Baddest one on base is bigger than Aerodrome. An Aerodrome's supposed to actually have utility, and this is bigger than Aerodrome. It's the biggest token on base. Biggest, baddest token on base. Remember.